Myself, Bimlesh Kumar Singh, going to teach you recoiling of gun. You have already studied law of conservation of linear momentum. Recoiling of gun, listen. When a bullet is fired from a gun, the bullet goes forward and it exerts a backward force on the gun, so the gun goes backward. This is known as recoiling of gun. Listen again, when a bullet is fired, the bullet goes forward and it exerts a backward force on the gun, so the gun goes backward. The going back of gun, backward direction, is called recoiling of gun, and the velocity with which it goes backward is called recoil velocity. It occurs due to Newton's third law of motion, which states that to every action there is equal but opposite reaction, or in another language, action and reactions are equal but opposite. Here in this case, bullet exert the going in forward direction of the bullet is action, and exerting a backward force on the gun is reaction. You may also explain it on the basis of law of conservation of linear momentum. The total momentum of gun and bullet before firing will always be equal to total momentum of bullet and gun after firing. Now I am going to explain the recoiling of gun mathematically. Suppose the mass of gun is capital M and that of bullet is small m. The initial velocity of gun is capital U and the initial velocity of bullet is small u. The final velocity, that means recoil velocity of the gun is capital V, and the velocity with which the gun is fired is a small v. So as per definition of law of conservation of linear momentum, the total momentum of gun and bullet before firing will always be equal to the total momentum of bullet and gun after firing. So I may write mu, momentum of gun before firing, mu, momentum of bullet before firing, mu plus mu, sum of momentum of bullet and gun before firing will be equal to total momentum of gun and bullet after firing. Here initial velocity of gun is 0 meter per second, and that of initial velocity of bullet is also 0 before firing, and recoil velocity will be something, and velocity with which the bullet goes in forward direction will be also v, small v. So 0 into m, 0, m into 0, 0, mv plus mv. So mv plus mv equals to 0. So mv equals to minus mv. So v means what? Recoil velocity of the gun. Remember again, the velocity with which the gun goes backward due to reaction of bullet is called recoil velocity. The velocity with which the gun goes backward is called recoil velocity, and here recoil velocity will be equal to minus mv by m. So this is the formula I derived to find out the recoil velocity. And one thing more, what is the relation between recoil velocity and mass of the gun? They are inversely proportional to each other. It is why a gun is made heavier, so that recoil velocity will be less. The relation between recoil velocity and mass of the gun is inversely proportional to each other. That's all for today.